Hello friends, welcome to IIC. This is Naresh Raj. Today's discussion about competitive maths problem on ages. Let's see. Hello friends, this is a question. In this, the first read questions. The present age of two persons is 36 and 50 years respectively. If after an year the ratio of their ages will be 3:4, then the value of n is means दो व्यक्तियों की वर्तमान आयु जो है 36 एंड 50 ईयर्स है तथा n वर्ष बाद उनकी आयु का अनुपात 3:4 होगा तो n का मान ज्ञात कीजिए. फर्स्ट वी assume that the two person is a and b. A and b. What is the age of this a and b in present? 36 and 15. And after n years the ratio will be 3:4. So we will solve this with the help of tricks. First we calculate the difference of these two. 36 and 50 is a 14, and now the difference between 3:4 is a 1. First we will equal the difference in between these two. Here is 14 and in here is a 1. When we will multiply here by 14, then the difference will be equal of these 2 and these 2 is equal to 14. Then we will multiply the 14 in these two elements. 14 and 14 in these two. 42, 56. Now we will compare these two elements. Let's see, this is a 50 and this is a 56, and now in this question given that after n years the ratio will be 3:4, then we will calculate the difference between 56 and 50. Here the difference is 6, then the value of the n is 6, means after 6 years the ratio will be a and b is a 3:4. Okay, let's see next question. This is a question. 6 years ago the ratio of the age of Kunal and Sagar is a 6:5, and 4 years hence the ratio of their ages will be 11:10. Then what is the Sagar's age at present? See, first we assume Kunal and Sagar, K and S. Present assume P, and in this first in this given a ratio before 6 years ago -6, means before 6 years we are going to in -6, and the ratio was 6:5. And next question, the ratio of their ages will be 11:10 after 4 years hence. Then from present we will move towards in this direction +4, because we are going into the future 4 years, and this is a ratio 11:10. Same in this question, first we will see the what is the difference between these two and what is the difference between these two. First we will equal the difference between these, then see 1, then see 1. Here this is clear that the rate difference between these two is a equal. Then first we will calculate this difference. What is the difference between these two? Here this is a 10. How can we calculate this? See, when 6 difference 4 minus minus 6. When we add solve this, then we got a 10. Then when the difference is this 10, then we will compare these two. Then this is what is the difference between these two elements, these two, these, this one and this one. 10 minus 5 is equal to 10. But what is the difference between these here? 10. Then first we will equal these and these difference and these difference. So we will have to multiply by 2 in this. Then we will get a result equal to 10. Then we will multiply this 2 in each element of this question, here 2 and then here 2. Then see what is the here when 6 is multiplied with the 2, then this will be equal to 12 and this will be equal to 10 and this will be equal to 22 and this will be equal to 20. See this, when in before 6th year from the present the age was 12. When we will add in this 12 is 6, then we reaches to the present age. Then this is 12 plus 6 equal to 18. Okay, and when we will add this 10 with the 6, then this will be a 16. For prove this question, what is the answer is right or wrong, when we will subtract 4 into 20, then we got a 18. Same here. And then when we subtract 4 from 20, then the 16 we got here. Then what is the Sagar's is present is 16 years. Then the answer is the 16. Okay, let's see. Here this is a question. First we read the question and then we will solve this question. Sum of the present age of ABC is 90 years, and then 10 years ago the ratio of their age was 1:2:3, and then what is the age of B at present. Let's see. The sum of the present is ABC is 90 years. Let's assume this, the age of the 10 years ago was x, 2x and 3x. When we will add in this 10 in each element, each numbers, then we got the percentage of the each ABC. Then we convert this x plus 10. This is the percentage of x and this is the A. This is the percentage of B, 2x plus 10. And when we add the 10 in this 3x, then the present is of C we will got. And we know this is the percentage of the ABC and this is the age of the ABC before 10 years. Now we given in this question that the sum of the percentage of ABC is 90 years. Then we will sum of this percentage is equal to sum plus and plus equal to 90. 90. When we solve this, see, x, 2x, 3x, 3x plus 3x, 6x. X plus 10, 10, 20 and 10, 30 plus 30 equal to 90. When we will solve this, then x will be equal to 10. When the 30 is going to this side, then there will be 60, and 60 divided by 6, then x equal to 10. Then put the value of the x in the b. Here a, b and c. In this question asked about what is the age of the b present, then the present age of b is 2x plus 10. Put the value of x and we got what is the value of the b at the present. 1 2 into 10 plus 10. See what is the value? 2 into 10 equal to 20, 20 plus 10 equal to 30. The age of the b is present age is 30. Okay, thank you.